Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Botanical gardens are enchanting spaces that showcase the wonders of nature, offering visitors a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. If you are looking to create your own botanical paradise, we have gathered 7 inspiring ideas that will transform your garden into a breathtaking oasis. From themed gardens to artistic installation, let's explore the botanical garden ideas that will awaken your garden thumb and captivate your senses. Number 1. Theme-based gardens. One way to make your botanical garden truly unique is by designing theme-based gardens. Whether you are inspired by Japanese Zen gardens, Mediterranean landscapes or tropical rainforests, you can recreate these distinct environments within your own space. Select plants, hardscape elements, and architectural features that reflect the chosen theme. Integrating traditional elements like stone, lantern, water features, or pergolas can enhance the authenticity of your theme-based garden and transport visitors to different corners of the world. Number 2. Sensory gardens. Sensory gardens are designed to engage all five senses, providing a multi-dimensional experience for visitors. Incorporate plants with captivating scents like lavender, jasmine, or roses to delight the olfactory sense. Include a variety of textures such as soft mosses, prickly cacti, and velvety lamb's ear to entice touch. Adding wind chimes, water fountains, or bird feeders will create something sounds, while vibrant flowers can and color foliage will stimulate the visual sense, making your garden a sensory haven. Number 3. Butterfly and pollinator gardens. Embrace the magical world of butterflies and other pollinators by creating a dedicated garden space. Plant nectar-rich flowers like milkweed, cornflowers, and verbena to attract these delightful creatures. Incorporate native host plants to provide shelter and food for butterfly larvae. Include shallow water sources and rocks for basking to complete the ecosystem. Not only will you enjoy the flattering beauty of butterflies, but you shall also contribute to conservation of these vital pollinators. Number 4. Vertical gardens. If you have limited space, consider vertical gardens to maximize your botanical oasis. Install trellises, wall mount planters, or living walls to create a lush green backdrop. Use trailing plants like ivy or creeping fig to cascade down walls, adding depth and visual interest. Vertical gardens not only provide a striking visual impact but also help purify the air and reduce noise level in urban environment. Sculptural installation add a touch of elegance and intrigue, making your garden captivating space for art and nature loves alike. Number 6. Medicinal and herbal gardens. Create a garden that not only delights the sense but also offers therapeutic benefits. A medicinal and herbal garden can feature plants like lavender, chamomile, and aloe vera, known for. Number 6. Medicinal and herbal garden. Create a garden that not only delights the sense but also offers therapeutic benefits. A medicinal and herbal garden can feature plants like lavender, chamomile, and aloe vera, known for their calming and healing properties. Label each plant with its medicinal uses of educate and engage visitors. These, this garden will not only provide a serene atmosphere but also promote wellness and natural remedies. Number 7. Secret gardens and hidden nooks. Add an element of mystery and discovery to your botanical oasis by incorporating secret gardens and hidden nooks. Create winding pathways bordered by lush foliage leading to scheduled spots with benches or hammocks. Introduce archways covered in climbing plants, leading visitors to hidden corners and unexpected surprises. These secret gardens offer a sense of adventure and invite visitors to explore further, unveiling the enchanting beauty of your botanical heaven. Conclusion. Creating botanical garden allows you to unleash your creativity and immerse yourself in the wonders of nature. By implementing these inspiring ideas, you can design a breathtaking houses that transport visitors to different realms and engages their senses. Whether you opt for a themed garden, sensory experience, or hidden nooks, your botanical garden will become a sanctuary of beauty, tranquility, and inspiration for all who enter. Embrace the magic of nature and embark on the journey of creating your own botanical masterpiece.